Hello again. Today we're going to have a look at the Ultrahuman Air ring. Now this is a smart ring made by Ultrahuman. Right, so this is the box itself. Very nice, very high quality. Silica gel, don't eat that. Let's put that out of the way. And let's take a look at the ring itself. Okay, so as I said, very nice quality box. Sleep HRV, movement, temperature tracking, sleep tracking, and light as a feather. Very, very nice design. Right, so a few details on the back there. And this was made in August 2024, so it's brand new. Now I got the new color that they've brought out, which is the titanium, raw titanium. It is incredibly light. My God, it's almost as if I haven't got anything in my hand. It's so light. Right, they did claim that it's the lightest smart ring available, and I have to believe it. Very, very comfortable as well. It doesn't feel at all, because I was wearing the ring sizing ring for a few days, and that's a little bit rough around the edges, but this is definitely smooth. This is the little charging platform that it comes with. And so I'm guessing... Ah, stickers! It's always nice when you get some stickers from companies. Ultrahuman in black, Ultrahuman in white. And then we've got a black and white one that are cut round. Very nice stickers. I'll be putting them somewhere later. Right, let's have a look. So this is probably the charging cable. Yeah, okay, so charging cable. And it's a braided one, nice and thick, with Type-C on one end. And if I can get it out. Right, there we go. So it's got Type-C on one end, and let's have a look, see if we can find the other end of it. Okay, right, I'll show you the... Doesn't have any labeling or branding on it, just plain black. Okay, took me a bit longer than I expected. And Type-C on the other end, that's what I was looking for. So it's Type-C on both sides. So you will need to, there's no charging plug in here, so you'll need to supply your own for that. Right, so plug that into there. And let me find a charging thing. There we go. So when it's charging, the white light is glowing. Before it's charging, it's purple. When it's finished charging, it's green. Okay, so very nice. A little bit of details from the company there, saying about the ring and how to care for it. Right, so we've got user manual. Okay, how to charge your Ultrahuman ring. So purple is ready, white flashing is charging, and the green light is complete. The charging takes about an hour. And you need to have it on charge for 30 minutes while you're pairing it. So make sure you remember to do that. Right, this is the app. As you can see, I literally just wore it for a few hours because we had a tropical storm this weekend, Typhoon Yagi. It caused a little bit of damage and dismay for a few hours at the weekend. Right, so you can see my stress levels were a little bit high for that, and my sleep was not very good. This is very similar to the Garmin watches, so you've got a score to tell you how you're feeling, how much energy you have, your energy levels, your sleep patterns. But I will do a full review. I'll wear the ring for a week and test it out thoroughly, and then I'll give you a little bit of an update in a week's time. Then I'll do a full review after a month. I think that's probably the best thing to do. But looking at the app is very detailed. It does cover heart rate, temperature. Temperature is accurate as well. It doesn't just say the skin temperature basically around like with a smartwatch. This is actually telling you your temperature. I don't know how accurate it is, but it seems pretty good so far. Battery should last up to a week. I haven't tested that yet. again, in the full review, I'll give you more details on battery life. But you can see all the little electronic parts in there. And I've seen little green and red lights flashing. There we go, there's the green light. It blows me away. It's so light. It'd be amazing. It's incredible. Absolutely incredible. Anyway, my full review will be coming up in between a week and month, and I'll let you know everything then. Bye for now.